Most homes have dark spaces that never really get light, and our 80s home was one of them. You may be a little frustrated with the dark spaces in your home.
And some of those dark spaces could be your attic,
Stairs,
your basement,
laundry rooms,
your garage,
or even closets. No matter what type of home you have,
it feels good to be in a well-lit space.
So in this video, we're going to show you what has helped us to brighten our space, and we hope that this helps you brighten yours too.
Hey guys, we're Darius and Ocula of DIY Power Couple.
Welcome back to the channel. So we were used to incandescent bulbs, and with those, you get brightness by
Watts.
watt. So we had to switch almost every lighting in this home, and we're still in the process of doing that.
Yeah.
So we're converting all of our incandescent bulbs to LED light bulbs or LED light fixtures.
It's an 8,000 lumen light that is adjustable.
It's a little overkill in some areas, but you'll see.
You don't have to have it that bright all the time. You can actually dim it down. Here's a breakdown of some terminology for LED lights. The great thing about this light is that you can do it yourself. You don't need an electrician.
And it's under $40.
And it can be installed in less than 10 minutes.
And we'll show you the 3 spaces that we added this light.
The first dark space in our home that needed lighting was the laundry room.
We were doing a complete room makeover and we wanted the space to be bright.
At first, we replaced the old lighting with this long LED light fixture that we thought would brighten the space.
When our new appliances were delivered, we realized we're going to have to move this light down for our cabinets to fit.
The weird thing about this light was that we could see the wiring when we were turning it on and off.
So we returned it, and that's how we came upon this other light.
And so when we went back to the store, we saw this little light and we were just like, I wonder what that could do, because we needed to save the space.
I'll tell you something. There were 2 things that caught my attention. One was it had a remote control, and the second one was that it was motion censored.
That was like an added bonus to what we were trying to do in the space.
So the only tools that I used for this lighting project was a 2.0mm flathead screwdriver and an electric handheld screwdriver. So let me show you how to hardwire install it. Turn off the power to the room at the circuit breaker and check that the power is off to the wires with a non-contact voltage tester.
If all you have is a socket and you want to replace a bulb, we'll show you how this light can do that too.
Turn the bottom black cover counterclockwise to remove it from the fixture. Place the bottom black cover through all of the wires and make sure that it's against the ceiling with the high ridge part sticking out towards the floor. Use your 2 new or old screws to screw it gently to the ceiling with your drill. Don't over tighten because it's plastic and it can crack. Twist the ends of the wires that came with the light so they'll fit in the wire holes. With your screwdriver, open each metal clasp that holds the wires by unscrewing the top part. Place the ground wire in the center hole of the fixture that has the letter G. Place the black or power wire on the right side where the L is located on the fixture. Place the white or neutral wire in the left hole where the N is located. Attach the green ground fixture wire to the green or brown ground house wire. Now screw on a wire connector nut and wrap them in electrical tape. Attach the white fixture wire to the white house wire and the black fixture wire to the black house wire. Use a wire connector for each one. Place all of the wires in the light fixture and twist to attach to the ceiling mount. Pull the remote out of the box, install the 2 batteries that are included, and turn on your light.
Whoa, 8,000 lumens is bright. I'm so glad this LED light is adjustable.
So in the laundry room, this light made such a big difference. I mean, we couldn't even tell if our clothes were clean.
Not at first, but now we can.
Now we can, because we can adjust the light, and you'll be surprised at how it makes you feel like even doing chores when you can see what you're doing. You don't feel like you're going into this dark, damp space. We're not trying to sell this light.
But it's a good light though.
Yeah, it is. We just wanted you to know about it just in case this is something that could work for you.
Yeah, I'm happy that we found this light, and now we have 3 of them.
The attic is the second place we installed this light without hardwiring.
This light can be installed in 2 ways. It's so easy. It'll take less than 5 minutes. Let me show you. Remove the black cover. Take off the white cap, and there's the screw base.
I like how fast and easy it goes from dark to light in the attic.
Yes, we needed that because when we were going up there and storing our things, we were tripping over stuff. We were missing things because we could not see. And so light just really even helps with the ease of mobility when you're storing things or moving things around. It just gives you like a confidence because you can actually see what you're doing.
I like how the light has shone in areas that I wasn't sure of. It was kind of dangerous. But now my depth perception is a lot better up in the attic.
And this light was so nice because you could adjust the arms.
And see to the other side.
Yeah, the direction that you want to go into.
Yeah.
It's very versatile. As soon as we made light in one space, there were other small spaces that were dark.
Yeah, I can see shadows everywhere.
Yeah, and in 80s homes, you can kind of expect that because they're blocked off. There's a lot of, little rooms and things
sections.
Yeah, and sections.
In the garage, this light helps when we have to take the trash out at night.
Yeah, the kids just open the door, the light automatically comes on. They don't have to search for the light switch and switching other things off. And it's bright. We can find things better in there.
Yeah, we can see just about every area in that space. Yeah. So if you've got a dark space in your house, this is an easy win.